Hi everyone. Welcome back to my channel. The first version of the B747 jumbo jet series flew in 1969. The B747-400 followed in 1988, including numerous improvements among others in terms of range, performance and number of passengers. The new equipped cockpit allowed to reduce the number of pilots from 3 to 2. The maximum takeoff weight is 395 tons, the maximum range is 13,400 kilometers. The B747-400 is equipped with 4 turbofan engines, each with 276 kilonewtons thrust and 4.3 tons weight. Like, subscribe and share it with your friends. Thanks for watching.